If there was just one magic phrase that would change everything, make everything easier to manifest, well, there is. Say these 7 words to manifest anything you desire: love, money, wealth, abundance, prosperity, health. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Want to remind you to be sure and subscribe. Click that bell icon because we're here all the time to empower your life with the law of attraction. It really doesn't matter what it is that you are manifesting, whether it's love, a relationship, a specific person, increase in your career, wealth, abundance, money, whatever it is. Claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Visit Law of Attraction Solutions. And remember, we get about 500 requests a week. So be patient. We'll get to you. So, high flyers, part of the challenge that people have is they move from this level of despair and fear, and they move up to the level of personal empowerment, where they start doing affirmations, they start doing shamanic tapping, they start doing breath work. Maybe they take up yoga, running, exercise. They start focusing on personal empowerment. But then all of a sudden, something happens. They'll see something on TV. They'll see a picture on Facebook or one of the other social media sites. And all of a sudden, everything collapses. I mean, they've just lost everything. It's like somebody just popped the balloon. All the air went out. Everything just collapses. And all of a sudden, they're back in a state of fear and doubt and worry and apprehension. You know what I'm talking about. You've been there. I've been there. We've all been there. So the key to manifesting is learning how to bring your frequency up higher and higher, and having a belief system that allows you to keep that frequency up. Because really, that's the secret to manifesting faster and easier with the law of attraction. What if you had 7 words that, if you said these 7 words, would overcome negative beliefs that may have been in your subconscious mind since childhood, and have been there a long time, and they're pretty well stuck there. But these 7 words that I'm going to share with you, I use them on a regular basis, and I'm going to urge you to use them. Make these words part of who you are. Make these words part of your new reality. And if you'll do that, your whole belief system will change. Money will start flowing into your life easier and faster. Love will come into your life. Health, happiness, joy, prosperity, all the things that you might desire will flow easier and with less effort. High flyers, what these 7 words do is they put you in a position of power. One of the things that we forget is that we are co-creators of our reality. Now listen, you need to get this part locked into your belief system. People will call me and they'll say, well, my business partner is doing this and this and this and this and this and this, or my wife is doing this and this, and she's dating another person and this is going on. And I'll pause and I'll take a deep breath. And then I will say, do you have any idea why or even how you attracted all this? And immediately, some people become defensive. And they go, well, I didn't attract any of this. None of it's my fault. It's not your fault. Listen to me very carefully. It is not your fault. but at some level, everything in your life you've attracted. So I'm going to give you these 7 words. And just keep in mind that these 7 words, when used regularly, when they become part of your new belief system about who you are, and what you're becoming, when you understand that, when that becomes your reality, you will start attracting wealth, money, prosperity, and it'll happen fast, fast, fast. I mean that. You'll start attracting a better relationship. You'll start attracting health, vitality, opportunities, success in every area of your life. I'm going to repeat that. Success in every area of your life. Now, write down these 7 words. I am source of all I manifest. I am source of all I manifest. What this says is that you are a co-creator of your reality, and that everything in your reality happens because at some level you manifested. And it gives you maximum power, maximum responsibility, because you are source of everything that happens in your life. I am source of all I manifest. I like the beginning of that. I am. It's another name of God. It's a name for source. And it says that infinite source that is out there is also in here. I am source of all, not some, not part, of all. I love this. Oh, I love this last sentence, these last 2 words. Of all I manifest. Now say these words daily. Emotionalize them. Feel them. Say them 7 times a day. And normally, I would tell you to do it for 28 days to make a subconscious change in your mind. But there's something mystical that takes place when you say it 49 days, 7 times 7. Now, you can say it one time and change your whole reality. You don't have to do it for 49 days. But if you'll do it for 49 days, I assure you, you will see change in your life beyond your wildest dreams. You see, high flyers, everything you desire, the love you desire, the money you desire, all of it, it's already present in your energy field. You're not limited to your DNA. Your DNA may place a limit on you. It may say, you can only run this fast. You can only jump this high. But guess what? When you expand yourself outside of your DNA, outside of your physical limitations, your mental limitations, your emotional limitations, and you connect with source energy and you realize that source is within you, and you say these words, I am source of all I manifest. When you do that, you have no limits. You have no boundaries. Your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the infinite field of potential. Therefore, as you make this your prime belief 7 times a day for 7 days times 7, 49 days in total, when this becomes your prime belief, this is what you are connecting with. And the universe says, wow, I get it. This person believes that everything that they truly desire or intend will manifest. Therefore, it will. What happens as you say these words, I am source of all I manifest, You move from the state of hoping. I hope he'll come back. I hope. I hope I'll get a raise at work. I hope. I hope I get a new car. I hope. You move from hoping to believing. I believe. Oh, I believe that I'm going to get that raise. I believe that my marriage is saved. I believe that my boyfriend loves me. I believe. But then, as you keep saying it, you move to the next stage. Absolute, complete, total certainty. Absolute knowingness. That's those last two words. I manifest. I manifest. I manifest. You. Yes, you. High flyers. Come on now. You are the source of your manifestation. Knowingness. Not hoping, not believing, not wanting, not needing, knowing. High flyers, as you use these 7 words, you're going to overcome fear, you're going to overcome doubt, you're going to overcome failure, and you're going to overcome the limitations of your ego, your limiting beliefs, doubts, and everything that just holds you back. That resistance that you keep running into, it's gone. It's gone because I manifest. Neville Goddard says we attract what we are, not what we want. You don't attract by wanting more. You don't attract by wanting harder. You attract by becoming. Become the source of all that you manifest. Take the responsibility. I am source of all I manifest. I am source of all I manifest. High flyers. This will bring about incredible change to your body, your mind, your spirit. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.